everyone, this is just an introduction to my YouTube videos where I do gardening and polytunnel, and I sow lots of seeds, and this is just an overview of everything I do on a day-to-day basis of running a Dolbrodmaeth riverside in the garden. So thank you for watching. I hope you like my channel. This is just an introduction. So I am Sue. I live here at the Dolbrodmaeth with my partner Simon, our dog Enki, and a bunch of chickens, and we've been living here now. It'll be 10 years in May, so anybody who wants to come and stay here, you're very welcome. Just get in touch. You're on our website here, so you can just click on a link. There's links at the bottom where you can email us or you can book. So please get in contact with us if you would like to book this year for 2024. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my channel. So bye. Go and check out my food videos as well. Food videos, animal videos, gardening videos, and DIY videos of what I've been doing inside as well. Okay, thank you. Bye.